Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is for the toilet vent, and you can say this is a Topo Bear toilet vent with approx 40 disposable cleaner sponges. So let me open the box and show you all the unboxing. So these are the disposable sponge that comes with this vent. So here it is, like total 40 SpongeBob, the case, like the holder and the vent. So you can see in the vent there is a pick and discard button that can take off this connector sponges and then can be used. So I'm opening one to show you. So you can see like these sponges have this the blue soap layer, protective layer, and the sponge itself, and then a connector like the plastic connector on the top. So the whole set will go like this. You can close it and vent can come here. So now if you want to hold it up, like pick it up, you have to just press the button and then to the connector this will hold. So you can see like this in between, so you press the button and then this will hold it like that. So this are not coming out. It's pretty solid grip with the plastic connector on the top. Now I'm showing you in the toilet setup. So I'm doing this clip thing a little bit wet, and you can see the cleaner come up from the sponge itself. There was nothing in the toilet and then it just come up from here. So you can just use it normally as you use the brush. You can press it to release the more soap or the cleaner, and it's easy to clean. Hold the vent, but you should be careful that you accidentally don't press that button to release the sponge. But if it comes here, you cannot discard that in the toilet, so you have to discard that in the trash. So once you discard that, you can hold it and keep it properly.